This news coming up from Japan Airlines. This involves a terrifying mid-air emergency. Flight from the Shanghai to Tokyo on 30th of June had to make an emergency landing. This flight was Boeing 737-800 aircraft, which illuminated from 36,000 feet to 10,500 feet in 10 minutes. That was quite a rapid descent. Oxygen masks were deployed and passengers were instructed to brace for impact. Many passengers panicked. Some reportedly wrote their farewell notes, sending insurance details, and Japan Airlines later confirmed that this rapid descent was part of the safety measures and not due to system